refreshing, it's delicious. It's a
Aloe Vera Cantaloupe lemonade.
I know you guys are going to love it and enjoy it. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. My ingredients: I have granulated sugar, a pinch of salt, 4 lemons, 1 cantaloupe, of course, 2 pieces of the
aloe vera,
water, and ice. This is everything we need to make this delicious and refreshing lemonade. So let's get started.
I'm going to start by first making my simple syrup. I'm adding the sugar, the water, and then let's take it to the stove. When you do your simple syrup, you use less sugar. Instead of adding just directly the sugar into your lemonade, this is the best way to add less sugar to your lemonades made at home. I'm going to reserve this. This is done. Now I have my aloe veras, and I'm going to go take them to the sink and rinse them very good. Now I am ready to start slicing them. But first, I'm going to go ahead and slice the edges first. Being careful that I don't cut myself, and being careful that I don't take too much of the pulp out. Look at this. I'm cutting in little squares, and look how plump the aloe vera is. Just be careful when you start slicing those pieces. Take your time slicing and getting all the delicious pulp out. Let me show you how this looks. Look at this. This really takes time, so I'm going to continue with the rest. I am completely done, and now I am ready to rinse it for about 10 minutes, rubbing it in between my hands to get most of the slimy out. When this is done, now I'm ready to cut it in very tiny little pieces. The smaller they are, the better. Look at this. All these are the little pieces, and now I'm going to reserve them. I have my organic lemons, of course, from my garden, and I'm going to rinse them very good. And now I'm ready to slice them. Let me show you. They have so much lemon juice. Now I'm ready to get all the juice out. And of course, I'm going to be very careful and take my time and get all the delicious juice. I got about 1 cup of lemon juice. I'm going to reserve it, and now I'm ready to start slicing my cantaloupe. I like to cut the slices first, and then start cutting the sides so the cantaloupe don't run from one side to another. This is the most easiest way. Now I'm cutting it through the center, and I'm going to get all the pulp out completely, and I'm only going to use, I think, 1/2 of the cantaloupe. Now I'm cutting in little squares so my blender doesn't work too hard. I'm going to go ahead and add some here to my blender cup, some water, and then I am ready to blend it. And you know something, it really doesn't take too long. And now I am ready to go ahead and put it through a sifter. I want to make sure that I get all the pulp out, so the lemonade is really nice and clear. This is what you don't want. I'm going to do the same thing with my lemon juice. I want to make sure I get all the pulp and all the seeds. And I'm adding the pinch of salt, adding my simple syrup, and look how this looks. It looks amazing. You could see all those little pieces of the aloe vera right on the top, floating to the top. And let me show you, when you mix it around, you could really see those little pieces. Remember, the smaller you cut your aloe vera, the better. They will be throughout the lemonade. This is a very refreshing and tasty lemonade, especially in this hot weather. Enjoy something made at home. Instead of buying those soft drinks, why not make this delicious lemonade at home? You are going to love it. It's nice and refreshing. Now I'm ready to prepare my pizza, and of course I'm adding a lot of ice in here. And now I'm ready to add the delicious lemonade. And look at this. This is ready to enjoy. You could see the little pieces of the aloe vera right on the top and throughout the lemonade. Look at this. Of course, I have my little glass here ready because I really can't wait to enjoy this delicious drink. It's going to be so refreshing. And of course, a little bit of decoration. I wish you guys were here with me to enjoy this delicious lemonade. I'll see you in a bit.
Completely done with this delicious lemonade. Aloe Vera Cantaloupe lemonade. I know that you guys are really going to love it. This is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. Let's see how this came out, because this is perfect for this summer. It's so hot here that it's so refreshing. Well, let me stop talking and let me enjoy this delicious lemonade. You know something is so cold, so refreshing. The combination of the cantaloupe and the aloe vera is just amazing and refreshing. I hope, my friends, you can make it at home. Enjoy it with your family, because when you make a delicious lemonade, yes, you have control of the sugar that your family isn't taking. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated, so every time I make a delicious recipe, yes, you are going to be notified. And if you haven't subscribed, I invite you to subscribe. I have so many refreshing lemonade. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. And of course, I will stay enjoying this delicious cantaloupe aloe vera lemonade. See you on my next delicious recipe. Like, subscribe, and share. Bye-bye.